just got a package, guys. Yeah. This is another step in the direction where we're headed into completing the build. Okay, we're gonna open up the box. These are something special.
Super special. I didn't think they're gonna come in until next week or the week after that.
No, the guy sent me the tracking. I didn't want to tell you about it yet.
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd these come from? Oh, Arizona?
Ship them out on Monday.
You shipped it on Monday?
Yeah.
And it's here already? Oh my gosh. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Oh, wait, hold on. Damn.
Oh, you packed it good.
Super good. With the box.
Let's go.
Ready? Oh. Oh my gosh.
Wow, Minerva
Oh my
faces.
God.
Try put them on there. Make sure they're 5x114. Right behind you.
Oh my gosh, they better be.
Yeah. Oh, go grab the 7-inch barrel and see if it'll fit.
Let's see. What?
No.
Oh,
Was it?
yeah. It does.
It's gonna fit? Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Does it fit?
It fits.
It fits?
It fits.
These are like the OG Minervas, and we were looking for a set for a very long time. We kind of let a couple sets pass by. We were able to pick up these faces for under $1,000, which is actually a pretty good deal shipped. So the plan is to take the faces out of her original SSR Vienna dishes over there and then put these faces in there. We're kind of iffy on if they're gonna fit or not. We were told that they might be able to fit, but we weren't given a for sure answer. And we just tested it in one of the old SSR barrels and they fit perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and swap over the faces after we clean up the faces a little bit.
So here's one of the faces. Let me go grab the rest of them. So 2 of the faces are chrome and 2 of the faces are silver. The chrome ones are kind of cracking sort of in the middle of the face, and the other 2 silver are just kind of old looking and need to be resprayed. So we're gonna go ahead and just paint everything silver because to re-chrome it is super expensive.
Okay guys, so this is the face that's already primered. We use filler primer just to fill in any small cracks and stuff, imperfections that we didn't want to show up in the finished product. We will be sanding this down and spraying right over this. So we're gonna go ahead and prime this face, and then we got one more face that Kristine's working on in the garage. Okay guys, so we're gonna be using this Rust-Oleum metallic. It's just gonna be your silver, but it has a lot of like glitter in it. So this is gonna be the end product right here. Or this is before the clear coat. But anyway, you guys can see that's a lot of glitter, and that's what we're looking for. So Kristine's gonna go ahead and spray this face right here.
Yeah, it looks super good.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and spray the clear coat through the gun. I'm just gonna use some leftover paint that I had from the yellow. Just mix this up real quick. I mix everything in the gun. I know that's not technically the right way, but you know, that's how we do it around here.
Let's go take it out in the sun and check it out.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's what we're looking for right there.
That looks so good. Okay, so they should all be dry. Let's go and look at them. These are the faces. They look super shiny. So here's another one of the faces. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's actually super metallic and glittery. So we're gonna let these chill for about 2 days just so that way the paint can fully cure. And then we'll go ahead and start putting these inside the barrels. So let's see. These are some fronts. So the fronts are gonna be 5-inch lips. Okay, it's hard to see the vision right now, but it's gonna look good. It'll look something like this, but way better. Alright you guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys are stoked on the wheels. Let us know what you guys think in the comments down below if we made a good decision or not. I am so happy. We've been wanting these wheels for so long. So Blaine finally went ahead and purchased these faces because they're a really good deal. It was under $1,000 for all 4 of them. And it's more than likely gonna work. We'll see when we put everything together, but we're pretty sure that it fits because we test fitted it on one of the extra ones that you guys saw earlier. So crossing our fingers that these wheels will be done pretty soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please do so in the description bar below. You guys aren't gonna want to miss any of these videos. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay safe.